Guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX today. So we had some extra leftover cucumbers from the end of our harvest. We just pulled the cucumber plants because they were end of season for us. Got hit with a blight, more on that later. But I wanted to show you guys what we were doing with those cucumbers, so bear with us. So guys, in this jar here we have our cucumbers, we have lemon rounds, we have garlic, and then in this brine we have tomato juice, we have horseradish, black peppercorns, lemon juice, and salt. This is, you guessed it, Bloody Mary pickles. We're pouring that straight in. We heated up the brine till it gets to a slow boil, and then we poured it into our jar. Okay, and then for those of you who like it, can add your vodka to top it off. We're doing virgin Bloody Mary pickles, so we just topped it off with some extra tomato juice. But we double up the recipe because this is a quart instead of a pint. This traditionally goes for pint size, but we went for quart size. Before you do anything else, you let the pickles sit out at room temperature until they completely cool. And then you put your lid on and you refrigerate it for 24 hours. Alright guys, it's actually been 48 hours now. We're going to try our Bloody Mary, virgin Bloody Mary pickles. So let's see how it goes. A nice red tomato juice coated. They pickled up quite nicely. Got a little tomatoey flavor. Pretty good overall. Still got that crunch, like refrigerated pickles do, but very good. Definitely a good recipe. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a good thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for future content. Thanks again guys.